Someone just solved the biggest AI privacy problem nobody talks about. It's called Hyperlink, which is a fully offline AI that searches all your documents without sending a single byte to the cloud. No OpenAI, no Google, no data leaks. Let me show you how.
Hi, I'm Alex from Nexa AI. Ever feel like your computer is too dumb? It has all your files but doesn't know what's inside. And too many times, it can't find that one thing you know you saved. Cloud AI can't fix it. You give up your privacy, hit file limits, and spend forever uploading. That's not gonna work. It's time for a revolution. Meet Hyperlink, the first AI super assistant that lives inside your computer, built for your files. 100% private, local, offline. Show me the penalty clause from my client's contract. In seconds, Hyperlink searches thousands of files on your computer using natural language and surfaces the answer, with inline citations that link straight to the relevant document sections. Summarize my receipts from my Vegas trip. Hyperlink can read text inside photos, screenshots, and scans, turning every image on your computer into searchable knowledge. At Obsidian, what's my takeaway from my books about AI agents? Hyperlink looks exactly where you point, a focused, private AI workspace, with no clutter, no noise, just precise answers. Other tools hit limits. Hyperlink doesn't. It syncs unlimited context across unlimited files with agentic RAG, with retrieval quality rivaling the best cloud AI apps, all while staying fully local, private, and free of token limits. No more lost files, no more endless searches. For the first time, your computer truly understands your documents, thinks with you, while keeping your data only yours. This is not another search engine. It's a new UI to interact with your computer, powered by local AI agents. Download Hyperlink and rediscover the knowledge hiding in your own files.
Instead of uploading files to AI, they brought AI to your files. 100% on-device processing. Zero cloud dependencies. Your data never leaves your machine. It's like having GPT-4 intelligence that runs entirely offline. Here's what's insane. It indexes everything on your computer in real time. PDFs, Word docs, PowerPoints, screenshots and images, OCR built in, meeting notes, legal docs, personal journals, then lets you search it all with natural language. I just asked, what were the payment terms in that contract from March? Hyperlink instantly finds the exact document, highlights the relevant section, shows clickable citations, all in under 2 seconds, without internet, without uploading anything. With Hyperlink, lawyers can search through thousands of case files during court without Wi-Fi. Sales reps can pull clients' history mid-flight before landing. Students' study notes become an instantly searchable knowledge base. Therapists should be able to track patient progress across years of session notes. Hyperlink just revolutionized AI search tools. 1. Searches PDFs, docs, screenshots, handwritten notes. 2. Identifies exact paragraphs with inline citations. 3. Provides contextual answers. 4. Fully offline, in under 2 seconds. No uploads, API keys, or monthly fees. Turn your computer into a complete offline knowledge base. Here are some of the things you should know. Hyperlink runs on AMD Ryzen AI, meaning you need 18 GB RAM minimum. It auto-tracks file updates in real time. It also supports local AI models switching between folder and document for targeted search. Hyperlink works perfectly with Google Drive and OneDrive, but this feature will be coming soon. Check out the video popping on your screen now to see the latest AI tool that I have talked about. See you in the next video.